Right, so what I'm doing is I'm going to work out the Wi-Fi range of this unit that I've made. Okay, so this acts as an access point, and I'm about to see how far away I can connect to it while I've got volts and current running through the system. Alright, what I'm going to do is just walk down this road, checking my phone to see when the data drops off. Hopefully, still connected. Now I've tested it, it'll go black, and I've got nothing. Still updating, this is pretty cool. Hopefully the other camera's still recording, but if not, it doesn't matter. It's got the idea. Walking backwards now, so I'm not blocking the signal, even though it's pretty wee. Can I get to the end of the street? Eventually it'll drop off and I won't be able to connect back with it. Yeah, it's updated. I'm getting close. That's it, I think. Nope, still going. Jeez, it's still going. At some point I have to give up. So I've achieved my target, at least. I don't know if my Wi-Fi's still working from my microphone. So still going. This is amazing. At the end of the street. I'm going to have to take it somewhere else to do a proper range test. Still working, huh? All the way down there, that white bit there in the table in the centre of the screen, that's where it is. Alright, the final design of the box will be done in the next couple of weeks, and then I should hopefully have all the plans out of how to build your own. Come back and check it out.